Are you worried about packing your plates and glasses and having them arrive damaged at their destination? At Removalist Melbourne CBD, with these 10 professional tips, we'll show you how to protect them effectively and hassle-free. Let's get started. Tip 1. Gather the necessary materials before starting. Sturdy cardboard boxes, bubble wrap, butcher paper, and packing tape. Tip 2. Reinforce the bottom of the box with packing tape to prevent it from breaking during the move, and add a layer of bubble wrap as cushioning at the base of the box. Tip 3. Start by wrapping the heaviest and most durable plates, which will act as the base for the glasses and other fragile items. For plates, a layer of butcher paper will be enough. Tip 4. Once you've created a sturdy base with heavy plates, move on to packing bowls, glasses, and medium-strength items. Here, we recommend using at least 2 layers of butcher paper per item. Tip 5. Using several sheets of butcher paper, create paper balls to fill the empty spaces between items. This will prevent impacts and breakage in case of movement. Tip 6. Once the box is 60% full, create a layer of butcher paper to separate and protect the fragile glasses you'll pack next. Use as much butcher paper as needed for maximum protection. Tip 7. Once the protective layer is ready, wrap each glass individually with butcher paper, using at least 3 sheets per glass. Make sure to leave a bit of air between the butcher paper and the glass for added safety. Tip 8. Once the box is 90% full, fill the remaining empty spaces with crumpled paper and create a final layer of protection between the glasses and the top of the box. Seal the box with tape and label it as fragile. Tip 10. If you have a large amount of glassware or highly valuable items, contact Removalist Melbourne CBD to ensure a safe and efficient move.